Hey guys, welcome to my home electronics lab. This is just in my unfinished basement. This video is just mainly to get you some ideas on how to make your own. You're gonna first need a table and some shelves, and I just built these shelves. Also, good lighting. I got lots of lamps, lots of light. It's essential. Starting from the bottom, I just have some miscellaneous stuff over here. This white little organizer isn't filled up yet, but it's got things like scissors and knives and some, random stuff. Lighter, glue stick. I got some alligator clip wires here and just a printer that I'm taking apart. Power strip. You're gonna need a power strip. You might even need a few. It's probably better if you mount it to the table somehow, like right here, like screw it into the table or something so it's easier to reach. I got a power supply here. This is just temporary. I'm gonna build my own. Crappy little multimeter here that I got at Harbor Freight for $3, but I have better ones that I use. This is just when the other ones are in use. I got a bunch of tools here, just like wrenches and pliers and tweezers and screwdrivers. More tools like hammers, a bunch of bits and stuff. Got some files inside of here and some other screwdrivers, magnifying glass, and just things to magnify your work if you'll need it. Just got some stuff I'm currently working on. Got on this rod here that I put onto this homemade shelf, I got some wires, more wires, magnet wire, thin wire, sandpaper, thicker wire, fishing line, and just tape. You're gonna need lots and lots of electrical tape. I got a lot of rolls everywhere. Here's my soldering station. I got this adjustable soldering iron. It's not the best, but it'll do. Some solder wire, more right here. I built my own little stand for it. Flux, helping hands, pencils, pens, drill bits. Moving on over here, I just got some organizers. I'll put random wires in here that I can grab later, Dremel stuff, a bunch of just like little screws and tweezers and stuff. These aren't really filled up yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I need to put in there. You'll need one of these organizers. They're pretty essential. I've got all my smaller electronic components in here, like my resistors and transistors and ICs. And then just the bigger stuff here, like gears, and then switches and motors. Got a TV over here and a DVD player, just in case I get bored and want to turn it on or have it on while I'm working. And then I just got some books there and reference material. Moving up, I got this, wait, forgot to mention, I have this multimeter. This is a better one, and this digital oscilloscope. Those are pretty good for testing electronic equipment. This has a lot of features. Here's another oscilloscope, an analog one, and an amplifier and a speaker in case I want to listen to music or audiobooks while I'm working. I have these set up plugged into here, so when I turn it on I could see the waveform of the sound. It's pretty neat. This clamp right here. In this organizer I have some just like little screws, nuts and bolts, drill bits, more little electronic drill bits I haven't even opened. I got this at Harbor Freight. Lots of glue, some lubricants. I got a lot of my remote control stuff here, and then got magnets on this metal thing, and then just some spare parts in here from things that I've collected over the years. Batteries, got tons of batteries. You're gonna need lots of batteries. Got a bunch of these 9 volts my friend gave me. He got these from his work when they were changing the batteries from the smoke alarms. These 24 packs of batteries are just like $5 at Harbor Freight if you have a Harbor Freight where you live. Some fans for soldering. Moving up, I just got a bunch of boxes with just parts. For example, got a bunch of like junk in here and a bunch of little circuit boards, that I can find parts from. More parts, just things that I've collected. Just these are the bigger stuff. There's a bunch of circuit boards in here. I'll always check it for parts, and if I can't find the component that I need from the collection I have, then I'll finally resort to getting a new one from like Radio Shack or something like that. Some electronic components in here and here. Basically that's it. Just go crazy, get everything you can find, organize it, have parts within reach. Good luck.